Sketch the graph of y equals negative 3/2 sine of x over 2. We'll start by finding the amplitude and the period. The amplitude is the absolute value of the number in front of the sign. So absolute value of negative 3/2, which is 3/2. The period we get by taking 2 pi divided by the number in front of the x. Now, this may be kind of hard to see, but it's not too bad. We take this, the number here, we can think of this as 1/2 times x. Okay, so 2 pi over 1/2. And that's equal to 4 pi. So that's our period. All right, so I want to complete a full period here, a full cycle, and so I'm going to start from 0. I want to make sure I hit 4 pi, so I'm going to let this thing over here be 4 pi. That's the scale I'm going to use just so I can see that. All right, and I'll let the vertical, each of these will be one unit. Okay, so each of these horizontal boxes is simply pi. Okay, so I need to draw my sine function here. I'm going to start at the point 0, 0, and my period is 4 pi, and so over at 4 pi, I'll get back to 0. And for the sine function, halfway between those points, it'll be 0 again. Okay. All right. Then halfway between our starting point and this midway point, so at pi, we're going to reach our amplitude, but we need to look at whether this is positive or negative. This is positive, so we start out, this is negative, so we start out by going down. So at pi, halfway between these 2 points, I need to go down 3/2, so down to that point right there. Okay, and then for the other portion between those last 2 points, it's going to go up that amount. Okay, and so then I can sketch a graph of one cycle, one period of this function. And of course, I could copy that over on the left side, because this continues forever and ever, since the domain of the sine function is all real numbers.